The front end of your car, which hit his car in the rear.
Do you love her?
Yes.
Are you willing to do whatever it takes to stay with her?
No.
You are not.
Told you.
What?
Told you,
Are
bro.
you serious?
Told you. Can I Millie Rock?
I am Jason Momoa.
Mr. Momoa. So how do you know Amber?
We work together on Aquaman.
So you work together as actors, right?
No, as janitors.
Mr. Momoa, you have to take this serious.
You ask him he's been married for how long?
Over 20-something years.
Over 20
Look at him, though. He look mad. You don't look happy, brother. You don't look happy.
He's very happy.
Former TV show bailiff and current Harris County deputy charged with his wife's murder.